Good evening. I'm Crystal Kaufman, and welcome to Tech Bytes. Tonight, we delve into a controversy surrounding Apple's latest iPad Pro commercial, titled Crutch, which has ignited significant backlash from the creative community and beyond. The commercial features various cultural objects such as books, musical instruments, and art supplies being crushed by an industrial press, only for the new iPad Pro to emerge unscathed at the end. This imagery has been interpreted by many as a metaphor for the tech industry's overwhelming influence on and potential erosion of cultural industries and human creativity. Prominent voices like actor Hugh Grant and filmmaker Justine Bateman have publicly condemned the ad, viewing it as an insensitive depiction of Silicon Valley's impact on the arts. The timing of the ad has also raised eyebrows, as concerns about artificial intelligence potentially replacing human creators continue to grow. Apple likely intended to highlight the iPad Pro's sleekness and versatility. However, the visual metaphor struck a nerve with creatives who hold their traditional tools in high regard. The backlash was so intense that Apple issued a rare public apology, admitting they missed the mark, and subsequently pulled the ad from its TV campaign. Despite the controversy, some have defended the ad, arguing it effectively showcases the iPad's compact design. Comparisons have been made to a similar 2008 advertisement for an LG phone, which used a comparable visual strategy. Moving on, we address an important issue affecting gamers worldwide. Valve's digital distribution service, Steam, has begun refunding pre-orders for the highly anticipated game, Ghost of Tsushima, due to ongoing issues with the PlayStation Network PSN. The problem started earlier this week when PSN experienced a significant outage, leaving many users unable to access their accounts or make purchases. This has had a cascading effect, particularly on pre-orders made through Steam for Ghost of Tsushima, a title set to launch soon. Valve has proactively issued refunds to affected customers, ensuring that gamers are not left out of pocket due to these technical difficulties. The company has also emphasized its commitment to maintaining a seamless experience for its users, even when external factors like PSN outages come into play. The PlayStation Network's team is reportedly working around the clock to resolve the issue, but no definitive timeline has been provided for when full service will be restored. In the meantime, Steam's swift response has been appreciated by many in the gaming community. We'll continue to monitor the story and provide updates as they become available. Now on to exciting news from the world of artificial intelligence today. OpenAI has officially confirmed a major event for this Monday, promising revelations about the latest advancements in their AI technology, including ChatGPT, described as an experience that feels like magic. This event has generated significant buzz and anticipation within the tech community. OpenAI aims to showcase groundbreaking features and improvements that could redefine user interactions with AI. I'm looking forward to that. Lastly, we'll explore a revolutionary advancement in manufacturing technology. The University of Maine has developed an enormous 3D printer, dubbed Factory of the Future 1.0, which promises to transform how we build. This massive machine can print structures up to 96 feet long, 32 feet wide, and 18 feet high, producing up to 500 pounds of material per hour. It's not just for basic construction. It can integrate wiring, plumbing, and even kitchens, making it a versatile tool for creating everything from houses to boats. The team at the Advanced Structures and Composites Center ASCC has already used it to build a 600 square foot house in less than 4 days, using bio-based, recyclable materials, significantly reducing the carbon footprint. We'll keep you updated on this exciting development. For now, I'm Crystal Kaufman, and this is Tech Bytes, your source for the latest in technology news. Stay tuned.